Lingportal Online School presents
Present Participle in English. Have you ever noticed how some verbs in English seem to take on new roles? Meet the present participle, a versatile verb form ending in ing that can act as an adjective or help form continuous verb tenses. In this lesson, we'll break down the present participle, its formation, and its many uses in English. Let's dive in and master this important grammar tool. Present participle, or participle 1. A present participle is a form of a verb, typically ending in ing, that can be used as adjective to describe a noun and in continuous tenses to show an ongoing action. The present participle is formed using the formula participle 1 equals verb plus ing. So, as you can see from the formula, the present participle is formed by adding ing to the base form of the verb. It's simple, right? Anyway, for most verbs, we just add ing. For example, play plus ing equals playing. Read plus ing equals reading. Watch plus ing equals watching. However, some verbs follow specific rules. Verbs ending in e drop the e and add ing. Come becomes coming. Write becomes writing. Exception. If a verb ends in ee, just add ing. See becomes seeing. One-syllable verbs ending in consonant double the final consonant. Run becomes running. Sit becomes sitting. Exception. Do not double the final consonant W, X, Y. Fix becomes fixing. Two-syllable verbs where the last syllable is stressed double the final consonant. Begin becomes beginning. Prefer becomes preferring. Exception. Do not double the final consonant if the last syllable is unstressed. Open becomes opening. Verbs ending in ie change ie to y before adding ing. Lie becomes lying. The present participle has three main functions. It can be used as an adjective to describe a noun or pronoun. For example, she smiled at the crying baby. It is also used in the continuous and perfect continuous tense forms. For example, go check why the baby is crying. It is used in participle phrases. For example, he saw a girl with a crying baby. Here are some ways we use present participle clauses. To show the result of an action. She dropped the glass, shattering it to pieces. The glass was shattered as a result of being dropped. To show the reason for an action. Feeling tired after the trip, John went straight to bed. John went to bed because he felt tired. To show an action happening at the same time as another. Watching TV, I heard the doorbell ring. I was watching TV when I heard the doorbell. to add information about the subject of the main sentence. Starting in the new year, I learn English hard. My hard learning will start in the new year. With a similar meaning to an if condition. Using participles this way can make your writing more concise. Equals, if you use participles this way. These examples help show how present participles can describe actions that happen at the same time or give reasons and results. Now you know how the present participle can transform sentences, making them more fluid and dynamic. Whether it's forming continuous tenses or acting as an adjective, this little ing form is everywhere in English. Practice using present participles in your own sentences, and soon they'll feel like second nature. Want more interesting lessons? By the way, the word interesting is the present participle and serves as an adjective to describe our lessons. Stay tuned for more English grammar lessons. Next, we'll explore the past participle and its unique functions.